Bill 136 made some movement this week when the House Judiciary Committee approved it. As Madison Martin reports, it's another step in the fight for legalizing medical marijuana in the state, although it comes late.
The fact that we passed with a 16-1 launch out of committee sends a very loud message that we the people are holding our legislators accountable. So if nothing else, that's a victory for us.
House Bill 136 moved out of committee this week to be considered by the House. The piece of legislation would give doctors the ability to prescribe marijuana to treat chronic conditions like epilepsy and MS, with the properties provided by cannabis like CBD and THC.
We're patients that need this, so this affects our daily life.
Jennifer, a clinical therapist in Bowling Green, says she's used marijuana to treat her PTSD and supports the cause to legalize another way to provide relief.
I think it's incredibly arrogant to say, this is what we have, this is what we need to use, because science is changing daily. The human body, the human brain is evolving all the time, and so are medications.
Over 30 states in the U.S. have medical marijuana on the books. Marijuana's sister, industrial hemp, was legitimized by last year's Farm Bill. Use of CBD oil derived from the plant, which does not contain the amounts of THC found in marijuana, seems to have grown in recent times.
Hemp is a great industrial product. Hemp is not a great product for medicinal care, in my opinion.
Still, others speak of its positive and currently legal effects. A shop that opened last week here in Bowling Green says franchises exist across the country, including in states with legalized medicinal or even recreational marijuana.
You're going to have specific people that want to go to a dispensary for certain other, purposes, and then you're still going to have the customers, which is the majority of our customers that want the help without the high.
Although opinions differ on the issue, the desire for treating ailments is not going away.
While each legislator does have their own personal beliefs, we would just hope that our legislator remember that they're here to represent the people of Kentucky, and for us in particular, the patients. And myself, I can't understand why people won't rally around a medical bill for patients.
Reporting for 13 News, I'm Madison Martin.
Kentucky's Legislative Research Commission says the bill requires a second reading, which can be done as soon as this upcoming Tuesday. After that, it would be able to go for a full vote in the House. But with only a handful of days left in this legislative session, the odds aren't exactly stacked in favor of getting this bill passed just yet. But proponents feel confident it would have the ability to go through next year.